Lust always opens the door.
Please, could you help me? I've been walking for hours.
It's dangerous out here. Get in.
You work very late,
Business never sleeps.
and neither does loneliness.
Looks like my GPS is haunted.
Who are you?
Very funny.
You live light.
Alve, Redoise, lust always opens the door.
Help me! Somebody now!
There's no body. People don't just disappear. Something happened here, and I don't think we'll ever explain it. Need a lift?
Thank you.
Some doors should never be opened.
In this video, I am going to be showing you detailed tutorial on how I made that video. You see the type of movie you just watched? This is what people that are doing AI automation are using to milk money. Horror channel is a secret money maker when it comes to YouTube automation. Horror movie is one of the niche that will get you that kind of views or money that you are looking for. And it is simple to create. Very, very simple. Within few minutes, you are done with creating your 3 to 10 minutes horror movie. Even if you want to create 1 hour movie, I'm going to be showing you detailed tutorial on how I made a video. If you know you don't have money or you are not financially buoyant to pay for tutorials or to join AI automation classes, watch this video till the end, and I promise you, at the end of this video, you'll go and create your own channel and start your horror channel with Faceless account. And if you're new here, my name is Texsy Chronicles, and on this channel, I give tips on how you can create your AI content, how you can edit your video like a professional, how you can create a good content, how you can use AI automation to earn money. If this is what you want, you might want to use the subscription button, turn on your notification, because I drop things like this every day. So without wasting much of our time, let's get right in. To create this type of horror movie for your YouTube automation or any AI automation you want to do, go to your ChatGPT or any chatbot that you are using. You can use Claude or Gemini AI, but for this tutorial, I'll be using ChatGPT. So the first thing you need is your story idea to prompt your story. You can write everything that will happen in your story in the prompt, or you can just give ChatGPT an idea of what you want in the story. So this is my own idea. I said, I want to create a horror movie short. So I said, I want to create a horror Hollywood short movie. Hollywood. 5 scenes. I just want 5 scenes. I don't want too much. You can, The title is Lost Never Arrives Dangerous. Give me the full story. You see that I just gave my idea and the title of the movie. So the title of the movie will bring out the full story. But if you know you have a full story, a full horror movie, some of you like horror movie, you have a full horror movie idea that you want to put, you can write everything in your prompt. So these are the key things that should be in your prompt. Ultra realistic. You don't want to create cartoon. You can create cartoon horror movie, but I want ultra realistic. I want photorealistic. Should be in 8K, HDR, natural lighting, volumetric fog. It is horror. Realistic skin texture, shallow depth of field, 50 mm lens. So you describe the quality: film still, emotional expression, highly detailed. I want it in 16:9. If you want to post it on other social media that is not YouTube long, it should be 9:16, remember. So I said, give me the full story, and ChatGPT gave me this. Lost Never Arrives Dangerous. That is the title I gave. So this is the duration, 4 to 6 minutes, like I said. Story, this is the story idea. This is the story. Late one rainy night, Daniel and all that. So this is the story. Very short. Can you see? Scene 1, we have scene 1, the encounter. We have the scene 2, the passenger. Scene 3, the truth appears, scene 4, the harvest, and scene 5, lost never arrives, dangerous. And that is the end of this. It's just 5 scenes like I requested. You can request for as many scenes as you want. So the next thing you are going to, send is give me image prompt for each scene. It is very simple like that. You are going to request for your image prompt for the scene because you don't know how the scene looks like. So the image prompt is what you are going to use to generate your images, your scenes. So this is the image prompt for scene 1, scene 2. The number of scenes you have is the number of image prompts you are going to get. So we have 5 image prompts. And the next thing you are going to send is give me the character sheet prompt for each character. The reason why I did not say give me character prompt for each character is because if I say give me character prompt for each character, it's just going to give me just one side of the character, maybe facing front, anyone that I requested for. But I want a character sheet that I will see the face, the front side, the back side, the left and right side of the person. Do you get? So that is why I said front, back, left side, and right. Can you see? So this is the character prompt. This is prompt for the main character, Daniel. This is prompt for the second person, Evelyn, human form. You know, this is horror movie. We have Evelyn is the horror character here. So we have Evelyn, human form. This is a character prompt for the human form. And we have Evelyn, the demon form. This is the character prompt for the demon form. And we have a police officer. That's what is going to happen. So we have 4 main characters in the movie. So here, I'll copy the character prompt for each character, and I will generate it. See, this is it. This is the character sheet for the first person. You see, this is called character sheet. Can you see? You can see the side, the back, the left side or right side, and the front view of the character. And this is the second person, the character sheet. I pasted it here, and we have this person. This is Evelyn, the human form. And this is Evelyn, the demon form. This is the demon form of that particular lady wearing white. So, and I pasted the character sheet for the policeman. This is the policeman character sheet. So now that we have it, the next thing we are going to do is create our scenes. We only have 5 scenes, right? Then we are going to tag our character to the scene to create a perfect scene. So you are going to save all of them. You click here, you click on the images and save them on your phone or whatever gadget you are using. So now we are going to be creating the scenes one by one. So you read scene 1 and know who and who are in scene 1. So we have the lady and the guy in scene 1. So I uploaded the lady and the guy, and I pasted the scene 1 image prompts. Remember, we requested for scene prompts for each. Remember we requested for image prompt for each scene. So we have the scene prompts here. So this is the lady and the guy. This is what is in scene 1. This is the guy and the lady 2, still in human form for scene 2. So for scene 3, the lady is already changing to the demon, right? So we are going to tag the demon. It's changing to the demon. We are going to tag the demon, tag the human form, and tag the guy. So we have this. Can you see now? The lady is already changing. Can you see? It's changing already. Then the fourth one, we have the demon, full-blown demon now with the guy. This is it. Can you see? The demon and the guy. And the last scene, when you read it, it shows the man and the lady in human form plus this policeman. So we have this is the same for the last one. This is the lady. So here now we are going to request for what the prompt that we are going to use to generate the video. I told you it is a simple step, right? So this is the prompt we are going to use to generate it to the video. I have one tips that I want to give you at the end of this video, so you might still need to stay around and watch to the end. And if you are enjoying this tutorial, use the subscription button and turn on your notification for you to get notified when I drop the next video. Because in my next video, I'm going to drop in tutorial on another niche, AI automation niche that you can do. So let's continue with this one. I'm going to say, give me image prompt, give me image. So I'm going to say, give me image to video prompt for each scene with camera movement, with dialogue where necessary. I put where necessary because all the scenes might not have dialogue. So your chatbot knows better. So this is the prompt to transform into video. This is the scene one prompt. So to turn it to video, you are going to come to your video generator tools. You can use Grok, you can use Flow AI, you can use Meta AI, you can use Coin, you can use Xfeed, you can use Pixar, you can use any video generator that you want to use. But for this tutorial, I'm going to be using Grok to generate my video. So when you open Grok, go to Imagine. You see Imagine on your screen. Click on Imagine and you see this space. So you see this plus sign. You see a plus sign here. So you click on that particular plus sign. You see a plus sign here. You click on the plus sign. Then you go and bring in your images. You bring in scene one, right? You bring in scene one of your image. This is scene one of the image. This is scene one. This is scene one. Can you see? You bring in the scene one. And for better capturing, so far it is just the person, the human form of that lady and the man in that scene one. I will always advise that you upload the man image and the woman too, combining with the scene one. Do you get? So this is for better outcome. And you paste the prompt for your image to video prompt for scene one. You are generating scene one, so you paste the image to video prompt. So this is the image to video prompt for scene one. If you have anything that you want to adjust, you can just type it and adjust it here. Do you get? So and you tag the 3 images. If it's just one, you can send it like that. Since we have 3 images, you click on art, then you tag the 3 images. Can you see? You tag the 3 images in that scene. And make sure if you are creating on 16:9, you click here and select 16:9. If you are creating on 9:16, you select it from here. And this is 10 seconds for 10 seconds creation, 720p. This is a good resolution, and this is for 80p and 6 seconds. So I would advise you use 720p. Even if you have 2K resolution, 4K resolution, the higher the resolution, the better it is. The higher the resolution, the better it is. So we have 720p and 10 seconds. Grok can give you 15 seconds at a time. So we are going to send it and generate. So let's play.
Please, could you help me? I've been walking for hours.
It's dangerous out here. Get in.
This is how you create your movie. Then you go over to the second image to video prompt for scene 2. You copy it. Then you upload your scene 2 image. Then you generate. The same step you did for scene 1, scene 2, scene 3 to your 5th scene. After generating everything, you go ahead and save your content. After saving everything, you can go to any editing apps of your choice to edit it. You can use CapCut, you can use InShot, you can use QShot, you can use any editing app. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using CapCut. So you click on new project, import your videos one by one accordingly. Scene 1, scene 2, scene 5, the whole scenes. Then edit, cut and join the unnecessary parts where you don't like, where you don't want to see in the movie. Cut it out, join, add some transitions, add some effects and all that, add some oral music, and that's all. You download, and this is how you have your oral movie that you can use to, start your AI automation channel. Simple as that. I'll be dropping all the prompts that I used in the comment section, so do well to check the comment section for the prompt, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.